Hello, folks. My name is Leo. Welcome to my nerd world. So today I will talk about one series from Netflix called Three Body Problem. Okay, so it's like a sci-fi series that you need to understand, right? And uh, and it's a kind of series that you need to pay attention everything what's going on in this series. Okay, so it's the same the producers, right? So from the Game of Thrones. Okay, so yeah, don't think it will be a lot sex here. Okay, so that is not so sex scenes here. Okay, so don't worry about that. And and I will give a not a synopsis there, but explaining a little bit uh, what's the story about, and introduce a little bit the characters, and give my opinion. Okay, but before I do that, sorry, my voice is not good today. So before I do that, subscribe here, put a like here, comment, and share with your friends, with your family, right? And that I can move on to talk about these movies. So subscribe, like here. Okay, good. We can start now. And Three Body Problem is is about the story that the Chinese people and one specific person, uh, the young girl here, they are the same characters. Okay, so this young girl, she uh, was the first person to send a message to out of space here, right? You know what I mean. When that person sent this message to somewhere not in the earth, something is wrong, right? Something is wrong or something is strange, right? It's kind of like there are some humans, they think like okay, it's about aliens. Okay, so just to tell you here, so and some people believe that so aliens can save the world, right, and can change the things here, right? So I don't believe that, to be honest. I don't believe in aliens. I think who changes the world is humans, not aliens, right? I'm opposed that, right? But that's discussion is for later, okay? But and they introduce more characters here. So if you see, you have Elsa Gonzalez, all right. So you have this guy here is from the Game of Thrones, right? Uh, Chaz Hong, this guy I forgot his name, and these two guys here, right? So each people here has a function, right? So for example, Jazz Hong, that person here, she is a scientist, right? So and she is really expert in physician, right? Physics, right? She's a physicist. Uh, Physicist. I don't know is correct to pronounce this, but physicist. Uh, and she is so brilliant and intelligent, right? So we have also Elsa Gonzalez. She's from Mexico, by the way, and she's the headmaster of the place who has a technology, something like that, right? So this guy here is I forgot the name of the actor here, but the name is J.K. Rooney. He is a guy. He's also a scientist, but he always make jokes. So sometimes doesn't believe in aliens or something like that, right? So this guy here is a professor. This is a boyfriend from this person here. This guy here is just a friend for everybody here, right? So yeah, my voice is not so fantastic today, but let's see that. So so the story is like that. So and they need to investigate what's going on in the world, right? So uh, and also we have this guy here, Benedict Wong. But maybe you know him in Wong, the Marvel Studios, right? And he's a detective, right? So and also we have this guy here. Yeah, I don't have here. Sorry. Yeah, so we have and they need to investigate that. Why I put this picture here now? Okay, so this is no, a person. No, so she is from the kind of a game, right? So people use this VR, and they have some information to explain what's going on in the real life, and this person here, she appears there and she explained like, "Oh, now I have this VR. I send this VR for everybody to answer this answer the message that one of the person. So that means that person here sent a message 70 years ago. So this is like a I think 1860s, I guess, right? So 1860, um, and 70 years later, they got the message from the aliens, right? So and these persons get the message, right? So and this series is really good because they explain in the past and present day. Okay, so they go like go and come back, go back, go back, right? Go come back, right? So like go in the past, explain a little bit, go back here, da blah blah blah. So and yeah, so that person here is the older character. So that's when she was young, and that is now in the present day, right? And they they will investigate this situation that oh, we are gonna have a fight with the aliens against aliens, right? So and that happens not for now. I think maybe in the second season that they don't show that. So it's just like a warning, right? So like that. So like oh, you are you and they said there one part of the series here. They said like you are bugs like a mosquito or that stuff, right? And there one part is really important in the last episode. Uh, Benedict Wong, right? So Sachi, the this guy here, okay. So he says like, I heard that person, her name is Sophon, is a kind of alien, right? She said like, we are bugs, we are bugs, right? And he take these two people here, exactly these two people or other people, yeah, now, yeah, other one of them, and yeah, he took the black guy here, and this person here. No, I think this. I don't remember, right? But so he took these two people, and say, oh, they said we are bugs, and he shows the bugs to people that, and they say, oh, they think we are bugs because we have nowhere to go if they invade Earth, right? So that's all talk about here, right? And this VR is like give you more information, and this person every time appears there and give you more of that's your time to kill that. The aliens kill people here. Yeah, no, let's say they don't show up, right? But something happens there, so you need to watch. And the three body problem is comes from the book called called the three body problem. Okay, so yeah, so it's a book written by a Chinese guy, right? So Sixin Liu. Yeah, I could they I don't know how to pronounce this, but yeah, this comes from this book here. Yes, and my opinion about this series, I really like that ones because it's really different from the other invasion movies, right? Invasion of aliens movies, right? So it's really totally different, and they always worry that, right? So they always worry that. So and if you use this satellite, right, to send a message to the aliens, what are you gonna do, right? So, what do you wanna know about the aliens, right? Which language they talk about, which language they speak, right? So some people believe that there are aliens there, but there are some people they don't believe. And in one part of this series, one of the cats said, "Do you believe in God?" That is a good question, right? Do you believe in God? Do you believe in evil? Do you believe in ghosts? Do you believe in Santa Claus? Do you believe that? That's the question they put sometimes here, right? It's really interesting that because some people don't believe in anything, don't believe that. So I didn't just okay, it's just in my mind, right? So and yeah, so for example, I believe in God, but 50%, right? So not 100% I believe in God. So because 50% I can feel that, but other 50% I just I never see a God in person, right? So like that. So it's the same for aliens. I don't believe in aliens because I never see uh, a devil. I never see that too. A ghost, Santa Claus. Santa Claus, I know is when you are a kid, maybe you believe in God, in Santa Claus, right? Because all fathers, or maybe your grandfather dress as a Santa Claus, and you believe that Santa Claus exists. And when you get older, it looks like no, Santa Claus lives in North Pole, and that's it, right? So three body problems like that, like some people complaining about like they don't have humanity. Actually, they have humanity there because they are worried about what will happen if the aliens invade Earth, right? So they will survive. They will work with them. So whenever it's the same for some people think like think about like if the uh, machines replace replace humans, right? So and humans be a slave. That's uh, the discussion for Terminator, right? So you know that, right? So it's almost the same here. So imagine you have 80s here, and what they are gonna do with you? They will kill you. They will change the world. They will be friends. They will. Well, we never know, right? So well, that's it. Stuff. That's always the discussion here. So I like the interaction each characters. So I think it's really, really important to have an interaction there. Uh, and I think it is a good series. It's not so bad, not so. It's not the best ones, but that's make us think about it, right? So that's the good things that, and it's like I said, the aliens appears here, not yet. So we never know when they will appear. So that's the question. They will appear the next, if it's possible, in the next season, right? So the second season in this case, and that's a good thing, right? So and I think all the characters are good. They are good actors. All of them, all right. So good actors here. So and I hope they have a second season and I can watch that. So there are some people are criticizing this series because it's only about sciences. No, it's about humans, science, uh, and solutions, right? So what we can do, right? So to stop this invasion of aliens, right? So and they have some uh, solutions there, right? So some of them never works, right? But some of them, the others, uh, they might work, right? So why not? Crazy ideas, maybe one can work, right? That's it. So, and my rate for a three body problem, I will give you, let me see, 8.5. Okay, I really like this series because you have a lot of discussion here, right? So, and thanks for watching this video here. Okay, so if you like this video, put a like here. Don't forget to subscribe here. It's really important. Comment, share with your friends and family. Okay, and I see you on the next video. So see you. Take care.